Scientific arguments and counter-arguments for SARS-CoV-2 as an artificial creation. Since the discovery of the first large-scale outbreak in December 2019, debates and questions about the origin of the virus that causes coronavirus disease 2019 have been debated in all communities. COVID-19 has rapidly transitioned to pandemic status, with more than 600,000 deaths worldwide at the time of writing. Therefore, discovering its origin is very important to prevent the outbreak of another virus. The main theories about the origin of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, are that it occurred naturally as a zoonotic disease, was deliberately engineered as a bioweapon, or that it was accidental. It was revealed to have been leaked from a Chinese biolab by researchers studying viruses related to the SARS coronavirus. So this leads to a very controversial question: is COVID-19 a man-made disease or a naturally occurring disease? Coronaviruses are enveloped viruses with a single-stranded, positive-sense ribonucleic acid genome. It contains a total of 4 genera: alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Scientific evidence shows that the virus that causes COVID-19 belongs to the B lineage of the beta coronavirus group, the same group as epidemic SARS coronavirus severe acute respiratory syndrome. Because of this similarity, it was named SARS-CoV-2. Argument: a naturally mutated virus. Given previous pandemics, we can conclude that COVID-19 is most likely a zoonotic disease. This is supported by studies showing that the SARS coronavirus originated from direct contact between humans and civet cats. Another new Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus has also been detected by direct transmission dromedary camels to humans. A retrospective analysis of several previously confirmed cases in Wuhan over the past year indicates that this epidemic is transmitted by direct person-to-person contact. Using whole genome analysis, we found up to 96% similarity between SARS-CoV-2 and bat coronaviruses. Therefore, bats are thought to be the host animals responsible for starting the chain of transmission of this virus. Counter-argument: a man-made virus. Research results suggested and supported the theory that COVID-19 was the result of a naturally occurring event, whereas SARS-CoV-2 was the result of an unintentional release from a biolab in Wuhan, China. There is another suggestive theory that it is a virus engineered by released. The origin of the epidemic and the probable source of bats have sparked skepticism. The Wuhan Institute of Virology reports that similar to the source of the SARS-CoV-2 outbreak, bat-associated coronavirus was discovered in southern Yunnan. However, the outbreak started in Wuhan about 900 kilometers from Yunnan province, even though the Chinese government discredited the possibility of a laboratory origin based on genetic research. The distance of the epicenter from the bat caves raises questions. It should be noted that several key features of the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein have also raised suspicions that the virus is man-made. This is because both the S1 and S2 sites of the spike protein had an optimal ratio, which could facilitate the entry of viral RNA into living cells and weaken host defenses. Final perspectives. Many hypotheses have been put forward about the original source of SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19, but no concrete evidence yet supports those statements. In summary, all of specific features observed in SARS-CoV-2 have led scientists to believe that this pandemic caused by the novel coronavirus was also constructed by humans in the laboratory. Helps rule out the idea that it is the result of volitional behavior and the development of biological weapons from the conspiracy. Recent discoveries have provided evidence that the virus existed worldwide before it emerged in Asia. There is growing evidence of a true origin as a global organism waiting for favorable conditions rather than emerging in China. Based on available results, this is most likely a naturally occurring virus that originated from an animal host, possibly bats, with no direct evidence of an intermediate host. Yet researchers have yet to find a definitive answer as to which animals serve as intermediate hosts for this virus and disease. Therefore, further study of all microbes is essential to understanding how they evolve, how they live and how they transmit, which may be the key solution in hindering the spread of COVID-19. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the link to the video. Explore this incredible world with us.